मैं 1 मिनट में आया।
I will be back in a minute. I will be back in a minute.
बोलने से पहले सोचा करो।
Think before you speak. Think before you speak.
ये मेरी मजबूरी है।
It's my compulsion. It's my compulsion.
क्या तुम उन्हें जानते हो?
Do you know them? Do you know them?
इसे टेबल पर रख दो।
Put it on the table. Put it on the table.
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता।
No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so.
मेरा यकीन करो।
Believe me. Believe me.
मैं पता लगा लूंगा।
I will find it. I will find it.
वह मक्कार है।
He is slicker. He is slicker.
मैंने कब कहा?
When did I say? When did I say?
हद हो गई।
This is too much. This is too much.
जाहिर सी बात है।
It's obvious. It's obvious.
कुछ काम कर लो।
Do some work. Do some work.
वो घर पर नहीं है।
He is not at home. He is not at home.
वह तुम्हें बुला रहा है।
He is calling you. He is calling you.
वो तुमसे मिलकर खुश हो जाएगी।
She will be happy to see you. She will be happy to see you.
मैंने 15,000 रुपए में मोबाइल खरीदा।
I bought a mobile for 15,000 rupees. I bought a mobile for 15,000 rupees.
दूध खट्टा हो गया है।
Milk has turned sour. Milk has turned sour.
चप्पल उल्टी पड़ी है।
The sandal is upside down. The sandal is upside down.
मुझे जाना है।
I have to go. I have to go.
मुझसे मिलो।
Meet me. Meet me.
आप कैसे हो?
How do you do? How do you do?
क्या लाना है?
What to bring? What to bring?
कभी कभी।
Off and on. Off and on.
हमेशा की तरह।
As usual. As usual.
क्या सही है?
What is right? What is right?
बिल्कुल नहीं।
Not at all. Not at all.
थोड़ी देर में।
In a while. In a while.
देर मत करो।
Don't be late. Don't be late.
क्या करना है?
What to do? What to do?
कहाँ जाना है?
Where to go? Where to go?
कैसे कहना है?
How to tell? How to tell?
थोड़ी देर में वापस आ जाऊंगा।
I will be back in a while. I will be back in a while.
कपड़े सूखा दो।
Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry.
मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी।
I wasn't feeling sleepy. I wasn't feeling sleepy.